Package pickup day. This is a 2-pound package of bees. So a package is loose bees inside a screened cage. Comes with a can of syrup and a queen cage. They come in 2 pounds or 3 pounds. There's some other sizes, but those are the standard for the industry that most people buy. A package bee is bees that are loose inside of the screen. They come with a can of syrup, and the queen bee is on her own tiny little cage right here. Come over here and let's make sure that the queen bee is doing well. Before we send them home, especially those that have driven a long distance, we want to make sure the queen in the package is doing well. Now you can look inside there and you can see the queen wiggling around in her cage. When you install the package, you take the can of syrup out, you take the queen cage out, put it in the hive. That's a package of bees, different than a nucleus. This package of bees has a whole bunch of hitchhikers over it. So when they make the packages up, there's always some bees that are on the outside of the package instead of the inside. So these bees, we're going to put them over here by the queen bank. And I'm going to take my bee brush and I'll brush them off. And they'll go down there to take care of the extra queens down in the queen bank. So this package has a dead queen. So that's not a big problem to fix. We can do it right now. We have extra queens that come with the package bees. The industry standard is 1 queen per 25. So they should send, if you're ordering more than 25 packages of bees, they'll come with some extra queens. This is the queen cage frame, and we'll take out an extra queen. By dropping the bees like this, they're not going to come out right away. Right? I'm going to take this can of syrup out quickly, and I'm going to replace the queen. Quickly. And put the syrup back in. Okay, we lost a few bees, not many. Now they're queen right. We'll mark this package, and so we don't install them right away now today. We could, and it'll probably work out okay, but we'll save it for tomorrow, give them a chance to get used to their new queen before we hive them.